We got the snow, Gaylord, Michigan, Christmas Eve. Let's see, I gotta see where my snowplow is. I don't think I can find it. That's missing. Oh wow. Back up here a minute. Show you my footprint. It's deep. It is deep. But the wind blew so much. Okay, so I'm looking for my snowplow, my tractor, and my loader. Oh man, it is deep. Ah, I found it. There it is. There's my little John Deere 4-wheel drive, and there's my front end loader. Oh yeah, I found it. We got the snow. We got the snow. 30 inches plus, and it's still snowing. And the little John Deere. There it is. Are you okay in there? Protected by the front end bucket? Okay, see you later.